Okay, so Susan, this is the question that you requested for, and we are going to solve it in this manner. First of all, you need to analyze the diagram. Now, in this diagram, the information that we have been given is that A, B, C, and D, these are points on the circumference of a circle. PAQ is a tangent. What is a tangent? A tangent is a line that touches the circle at one point. Then we have been given this angle, which is 30 degrees. That angle is 81 degrees. The other information that we have been given is about line AC. What is line AC? This line AC question now and that it bisects this angle, which is angle BCD. Now, what does it mean to bisect? Could bisect, could divide into two equal parts. So, a line gonna bisect the angle. It means ka angle akakali up, nakala up. Fifwile fiaba same. Kaina wa bisect angle. Then the first question we need to find ACB. Now, ngolesanga ma questions pali circle theorem. Kwa ma theorems I have to apply. So I will not talk about all theorems. I will only talk about the theorems that will help us to solve this problem. So now, the first theorem that I'm going to talk about, which will lead to the solution, is alternate segment. Alternate segment. What does this theorem state? If this is a circle and this is a tangent, when we say tangent, tangent is a line that touches the circle at one point. That's what it means. Then let's have a chord. Let this chord be called AB. Now, when you look at this chord, this theorem states that the angle between the chord and the tangent, this is the tangent, so angle ni tulelanda up. The angle between the chord and the tangent is equal to the angle subtended in the alternate segment. So, okufuma pali B na A, nga tuwa forming angle mu circumference. In circumference, just the distance around the circle. Anyway, apo twala formula kuti yabera pango kuti yabera pa wherever, so inenga na ibikira pango. Kufuma pa line A na pa line B kuri angle yaba formed. This angle is equal to this angle. They are in alternate segment. Segment, for example, nga twachibomvya chord AC. The angle is between chord D na tangent ni angle yalaba equal to the other angle which will be in the alternate segment. Number alternate segment ya A na C is angle ile wa form kufuma pali line point A na pa point C ni angle. So angle ni angle they are equal. Nga tulanda pali ni ne. So coming to our question, the question is to find ACB. ACB akaka angle kali hapo. Now this angle is equal to 30 degrees. Why? They are in alternate segment. As you can see, the angle it is between this chord and the tangent. So the one here on alternate segment near upper, so upper in 30 degrees. And before we even go very far, now but AC now it's the bisect angle. That means that angle kali hapa na kali hapa fili iko kuchita bisect kuchita divide into two equal angle. So nishina panika 30 thota watu ipuisha kusanga pana alemba, but answer ya ACB ni 30 degrees. Hii konkere kusanga ADC. ADC, yep. Now, which theorem are we going to use to find angle ADC? The theorem that we are going to use is about cyclic quadrilateral. What does this theorem state? If this is a circle, then we have points. Sorry. if we layer up, let's say A, B, C, D. This shape that I have C, D, iyi shape iri mukati muri circle tuita quadrilateral. Nombocho turangiza cyclic ni quadrilateral iri mukati muri circle. Ama corners yonse yafuire yaba mu circumference. Yafuire yareba muri circle. Ama corners mu circumference ya circle yafuire yaba attached. So this theorem says that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral adds up to 180. So A opposite here icon C, so it means A plus C, it should give us 180. D na B feel equal, so angle B plus angle D, they should give us 180. That is what this theorem says. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So in they add up to 180. In they add up to 180. So coming to our question, we need to find ADC. ADC, this angle and this angle, they are opposite. And this one is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we can say to find ADC, we'll just say 180 minus 81. What is 180 minus 81? It will give us 99 degrees. So that is the answer. Okay, then the other one is to find which angle D, this is D what? DAQ. 1, 2, 3, DAQ. DAQ aka kali apa kaango aka. Eka DAQ aka. Number you discover that this angle is just between this chord and the tangent. So e angle ne feel equal. If you touch that alternate segments. So e angle ne feel equal. Theorem ni to abombi. Okay? Those two angles, they are in alternate segments. This angle and this one. So angle is in chord. So angle are formed near up. If we have equal near up. So which is DAQ. Therefore, DAQ is equal to 30 degrees. They are in alternate segments. Always 30 of makwisa. Tuachibali up to asange ili apa ne ili apa imo ine. Because now that now it's the bisect kuli line. So that is 30 degrees. Then the last one, we need to find CAQ. CAQ ni angle yonse fie. Okay? CAQ ni yonse fie angle, but not kwata ka angle aka. Akali between the chord and this tangent akanika 30. So ichilefo ikakwisha size ya hii angle. Ni shapa twasanga. Then hapana tuishwa 99. So nga twachita extract aka ka CAD nika triangle aka. This is a triangle. All angle is feni. And we know that the sum of angles in a triangle adds up to 180. So first of all, twalabali la pokusanga ka CAD akakali apa. So we'll start by finding CAD, which is equal to 180 minus the sum of 99 and 30. 99 plus 30, which will give us 180 minus, what is 99 plus 30? It will give us 129. That is 99 plus 30, it will give us 129. Then 180 minus 129, it will give us 51 degrees. So apanish pali 51 up. Number panga power 51 apa 30 or 34 achonse chikuchitafe plus. So we'll say therefore CAQ is equal to CAQ will be equal to 51 plus 30, which will give us 51 plus 30, that is 81 degrees. So that is how you answer that question. Otherwise, what I can advise you, ama question ya seko theorem, ufiro waisho ama theorem one by one, then ulole ipisha kushare pa theorem ya la bombanisa. Kusha theorem ya la bomba panisa. As for me, that is the methods that I use. You need to know all the theorems.